Hello, Mr. Francis. How are you feeling today? The doctor has prescribed oxygen therapy to help improve your oxygen levels. Don't worry, it's a common treatment for many respiratory conditions. The oxygen will be delivered through a nasal cannula, which is a small tube placed in your nostrils. It's important to maintain a comfortable position and avoid moving the cannula too much to ensure optimal oxygen delivery. You may experience some dryness in your nasal passages, so using saline nasal spray can help alleviate this. It's also crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. While on oxygen therapy, it's best to avoid smoking and exposure to irritants like dust and smoke. If you experience any discomfort or changes in your breathing, please don't hesitate to let us know.
I'm a bit worried about the long-term effects of oxygen therapy. Mihira, will it damage my lungs? And how long will I need to be on it?
Understandable, Mr. Francis. Oxygen therapy itself doesn't damage your lungs. It's a supportive measure to help your lungs function better. The duration of therapy depends on your specific condition and response to treatment. Your doctor will monitor your progress closely and adjust the therapy as needed. Remember, the goal is to improve your oxygen levels and alleviate symptoms, and oxygen therapy is a safe and effective way to achieve that.
MIHIRA, it is completely natural to feel a bit nervous about cataract surgery, but I want to reassure you that it is a very gentle, routine procedure designed to bring clarity back to your world. When you arrive, the medical team will make you comfortable and use a local anesthetic to completely numb your eye, ensuring you will not feel any pain. The entire process is incredibly quick, usually taking just 30 to 60 minutes. Through a tiny, precise incision, the surgeon will carefully remove the cloudy lens that has been blurring your vision. In its place, they will insert a brand new, crystal-clear acrylic lens that becomes a permanent, seamless part of your eye. The benefits of this brief procedure truly change how you experience day-to-day life. MIHIRA, once your eye heals, you will notice a wonderful return to clear focus. Colors that might look faded or yellowish right now will suddenly appear vibrant, rich, and beautifully distinct again. You will also experience a major reduction in that frustrating glare from bright lights and oncoming traffic, making evening walks and night driving much easier and safer.